Hey YouTube subscribers, number one Fresca fan here. I'm Janessa. You'll know me if you follow my channel. I'm just like chilling in my closet today because I'm trying to pick up my outfit for tonight's big event. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then you're basically not even a Fresca fan and you might as well get off my channel. I'm talking about the premiere of Fresca's presidential campaign, which is taking place tonight at Huge Theater at 10 p.m. I'm not like a big theater person, but I will literally do anything for Fresca, including throw myself off a bridge if she asked. Because I am her number one fan and nobody loves Fresca more than me. Janessa St. Williams. Fresca, if you're watching this video, I just want you to know that I adore you. And I'm so excited that you're running for president because I will finally be represented in this country. I love you so much, Fresca. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, you can do that so easily. Make sure you check out my website, numberoneFrescaFan.com/biz/.net, okay? Hopefully I'll see you guys tonight at 10. Looking forward to it. Look sexy. Love Fresca. Bye from Janessa.